safety is paramount. So if you don't feel safe coming into work, please don't. I don't want you to risk anything, because at the end of the day, we want you here. We don't want you gone. So please heed that. Are there any questions for me?
Okay, y'all, we got alarms going off and all kind of crazy stuff. Apparently, there's a level 3 hurricane coming. It's hurricane season. Live in South Louisiana. So my job's like, are y'all evacuating? I'm like, hell yeah. All right, y'all, evacuation process has started. Look at me. Oh, this luggage is just mine. Are y'all ready to go? I got a couple trips of stuff to get. And we got to take the kitty Sam and Sue are going with us because we don't know what's happening. So, I'll be back. Okay. We're at Renee's parents' house getting ready. Look at this. Man, it's so much stuff in this trunk. Nothing else can even fit. Like, I'm trying to force it. Ugh. It's gonna fit. We gonna make it fit today. But yeah, it's not fitting. I don't know how I'm gonna make this shit work. I came to Renee's parents' house, picked her up, and we're evacuating. We wanted to go north. Normally we would go to Shreveport, of course, because that's where I'm from. Yeah, she gonna have to do this. It's too much work. But the storm is going west to northwest, so it's not gonna hit Shreveport, but it's kind of pointless to go that way. We're gonna be traveling in it. So we're gonna go east and bunker down in Slidell with Renee's parents and her sister was out there, I think. And yeah, so I'll hit y'all back around the car. See my shirt? See my shirt? Isn't it awesome? It's getting wet. My cousin made it for a photo portrait of mine. Anyway, yeah, we got all kinds of snacks, pillows, because I don't trust hotel clothes. I don't trust hotel covers and beds and stuff.
Yes, sir.
Can we go?
Okay.
Okay, we're all here in the car, getting ready for takeoff. Pets. I'm about to finish my work, clock out for the day, roll up, drink my Malibu sparkling ice. Niggas be snitching, boy. And I'll let y'all know when we get to where we're going. Emergency assistance.
Yo, the beat in these headphones is so amazing. They vibrate on your ears when it's all the way up.
Gosh.
Bruh.
That's from the Coast Guard.
Put this on your head. Why? Just do it. Get ready.
Good morning. It is the next day because that Malibu got me together.
Hey guys.
Hey. Okay. So, yeah, I got drunk and I passed out. I was done on the little Malibu drink yesterday. Woke up, We woke up here. And we're here till Friday. We're in Slidell. We came this way. We came east. I'm trying to get this straight, but it looks like I'm getting more crooked than ever. Anyway, apparently I'm still in what I had on yesterday. I haven't gotten up, gotten bath, gotten myself together. But I'm currently working as usual. I should have lied and said I couldn't, but I didn't, so I am. I'm working. I'm gonna knock this out, and then we're gonna go exploring around here. I want to find some food. I want to find the local food spot to see what it's here for. That's what I'm trying to do. So yeah, we're gonna do that. Even the cats over there. Sad.
Sure don't miss it.
Ate at Renee's sister house, man. We ate so much food so fast.
Don't look at me, girl. My shirt is messed
Stuffed.
Don't hide me.
Stomach sticking out.
I'm stuffed.
Fatness at its finest.
Yes.
You already scoping on dessert.
Yes, I am.
Bitch, I'm stuffed. I'm done.
I'm gonna eat that lemon. Whatever that thing is. It look good. Man. I'm gonna get it.
Silly. Sky check.
Yeah. It's still kind of clear. It's just cloudy.
Alright, we'll check back in later. Waddell on the room. And it's raining good. Today is this guy's birthday. Birthday during an evacuation. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Camden. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Make a wish. Blow out your candle. Sky check. It's getting dark. Look at it, bright over there. It's bright. And it's dark over here. Yeah, we're still in the car. We are headed to New Orleans now. Today is Camden's birthday, and we're taking him to Dave & Buster's, which I'm probably just going to do a total separate video for his birthday thing, because putting all this together, it's like quarantine, evacuation, pandemic, birthday party. All right, y'all, we're at day 4, I think, of being out here, and Yesterday was a lot. Yesterday was fun. We did a lot of stuff. I guess, it was Kim's birthday, so we tried to keep him entertained, and it was good. Like I said, we did a lot of stuff. I was tired. I passed out last night. Like, no alcohol needed. I was out of there. But then Renee mentioned that Chadwick Boseman, I think that's his name, he passed. The King T'Challa, he passed, and my son, man, y'all, that killed my baby. He was just bawling over it. He was so hurt, and it hurt my feelings so bad. Like, that representation, like that black superhero, like that meant everything to my baby. He was really hurt last night. Like, I ain't seen nobody ball like that behind a celebrity passing since me with Whitney Houston, honey. Because he was hurt and I was hurt, so I understand. But it was really touching. It was sad, especially for it to be on his birthday. Like, fuck, man. Like, we ain't got enough going on. Anyway, yeah, that was a thing last night. But he woke up this morning and he seems to be in better spirits, so that's good. But I think it's starting to hit me today. Like, this is a lot. Like, this is a lot. Like, I just lost my granny last weekend, and that was hard. That was hard enough, and now, like, damn, it wasn't even, I didn't get a 2-day reprieve. Like, that happened. I came back home from Shreveport, and instantly, it's like we got home on Sunday. I worked on Monday, and then Tuesday we had to evacuate. We had to be gone. So, like, it's like back to back to back. It's a lot of stuff going on right now, and it's frustrating to say the least. But we're supposed to stay here until Monday and then go back and check. But Renee woke up this morning and she's like, oh, let's go see, yada yada. Although I said this 2 days ago, whatever, I guess we're on her time. Which pisses me off. That's okay, it's a different story. We're gonna go check the house, see what's there, see, what damage. We're praying that there's none. Let's just pray and hope that it completely missed us. That's possible. Anything's possible. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. We're at Outback, which is one of my favorite restaurants. Stop. And Sarah's here. Renee's on the phone with her people, as you see. Cam's here. We're just waiting on food. I got a drink. Strawberry margarita on the rocks.
This is dark.
And,
you want light mode?
Yeah. Water with
light
lemon.
mode? Not light mode, the normal mode.
That's too stupid.
How do you even do that? It's magic.
So yeah, we're just waiting on food now.
That's got a little appetizer.
My food.
What's that white stuff?
Day number 759,000, and we're still in this hotel. We met some nice people here. There's a lot of people coming through here, and there's a little church doing stuff for the people who left. So it's a nice experience. I can't say it's all been bad, but sheesh. Being here, ready to go home. We're supposed to go check on the house today, but I chose to procrastinate on that. Don't know why, I just did it. So, we'll probably go tomorrow, check on the house. I used to work with one of my old co-workers is down here. Her and her kids, they evacuated here as well. I'm gonna have them over so they can get in a pool later. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. I'm on my way to the car now to smoke with my little shot. And that's it. Okay, I'm in the elevator. I'm gonna go. Day 8,700,022 of this evacuation. and we're still in here, but I just shook my girl. You see these dresses, girl? You see that, girl? I've been doing the most in that pool, mess my little hair up, but we shaking her right back. I say that and then pull my damn edge up. Hey, I ain't got my wig glued down. Mind your business. Anyway, we are going today. If somebody get off her ass, we're going to go check out the house. Okay, let me run this back for y'all. We're not going to go check on the house today because the highway is down at the Atchafalaya River and there's no telling when it's going to be back up. So we can't get across to go unless we go up Highway 90 North, and everybody's going up Highway 90 North. Renee's sister went and it took her 4 hours to get an hour away. So we can't leave the kids that long. I'm just going to wait. We're gonna wait till tomorrow and hope that it's fixed and then try then. Keep in mind that all this time I'm out of work. I'm not able to work. Like my job is being really great about it. Honestly, let me tell you about that. My job called me today. I was driving down the road. They called and they were like, well, my boss sent out this, we have these text alerts for our job where, you know, they tell you everything that's going on, yada yada. And so they sent out the text alerts, but I'm not signed up. So my boss was telling us about it, and she sent us the link to, you know, sign up for help or whatever because of what's happened, you know, in our area in Lake Charles. And so I put it on there that I need help, and they called me today, and they're like, well, we're going through the request. That's her name. We're at the corner store getting drinks. So she's like, there's a lot of requests. Everybody, you know, that was going through something, they're needing help. Hey, Renee. So, but she's like, well, we wanted to reach out now, and we wanted to do something to help you guys now. So we're gonna send out cash. And she was like, by tomorrow afternoon, you should have X amount of money in your bank account, you know. She's like, this is not a loan, it's not an advance. We just want to be able to help you guys right now, and then we're still sorting through the request, you know. So anything else we can assist with will come as we get to it. But they just want us to be like immediate assistance. I thought that was so awesome. That was just awesome to me. Like, I like y'all. I'm gonna check my attitude up there. I'm gonna be nicer. I'm gonna be on time. I got y'all. I got you, you know. I deals with that. But we just left, my car's a dirty mess. We just left Popeyes. We're going to get the chicken and take it to the kids, and then we were gonna go to check on the house. But now we're just gonna get it and eat it, bitch.
Yeah, because they had a bad accident on the way. And coming back, they've been closing a lot of roads. So.
Yeah, so yeah, we can't get to it right now. So we're gonna try again. And hopefully we'll get there. But I'll let y'all know this has been quite a few days now. This has been a journey. This has been our longest video together. Okay? It's been a while. And we're still at this thing. All right, y'all. Good morning. We are up and we're about to try this shit again. We couldn't go yesterday because accident by the Atchafalaya River. So today we're trying again. It's 9:49 right now a.m. I'm in the car waiting on Renee to come down here. Excuse me, I am tired. We did just wake up. Even though we went to bed early last night, like we were knocked out like 9 something last night. Whatever, I slept good. I'm ready to get to this house and see what's going on. I'm ready to get, like, there's only one TV in this room and it's not enough. So we need to get TVs, we brought like 3 computers. We brought 3 computers, and all 3 computers are water damaged now. So yeah, I might get my desktop, my iMac from the house. It all just depends. The light company says that we're gonna be out. Some reports say 3 to 4 weeks. Some reports say till fucking December. So who knows? I don't know what's going on with that. But anyway, let me stay on task. We're finally in the car. We're finally headed back to the house. The GPS says 3 hours and 20 minutes to get there from here, which is good. Yesterday it was like 7 hours or something. So we're gonna go, and then we're gonna take footage of what's going on, and then we're gonna get back here, leaving the kids here. We're gonna get back here, and we're having an issue with the damn room. The toilet, when you flush it, water comes out the back, out the bottom, so it's wetting the whole fucking floor in the bathroom, and it's a headache. I haven't said anything to the people because they're gonna want to move us, and we have so much stuff. 4 people and 2 cats, so y'all, it's just a lot. Oh my god, it's so much. Oh my god. Anyway, yeah, once I finally see this house, I think we can finally finish this video. It's been for freaking ever. But once we finally see the house, we can finally put this to an end. Then maybe we can do a part 2 or whatever, let y'all know how long we're actually out here. Okay. But yeah, anyway, let me get myself together and wait on Renee to come out this door, and we're getting on the road. We're getting a lot closer to the house, and you see a lot of houses with roof damage going this way. Like,
Trees down.
yeah, trees down, roofs out. We're in Jenny, no, on the other side of Jenny, huh?
Yeah, we're
Welsh.
Welsh now.
We're in Welsh.
It's about 20 miles.
Yeah, and we're starting to see some of the effects, some of the damage. y'all gotta work with me. I'm not really crying tight. My feelings kind of hurt right here. This is the main street in our little small town that we go down every single day. Renee, drive. Don't drive slow. Drive to get home. That thing's auto. Bitch. Domino's Pizza. Some kind of help at Walmart, I guess, while those people there.
Yeah. I think they're giving out water and stuff.
McDonald's always seem to make a way out of some shit.
I just gotta replace a sign. Look at my basket.
Oh my god. That's our grocery store. Walmart made it too. We find out God favor the rich. Oh my god, y'all. Taco Bell, the little snow cone stand, Popeyes with stand, but everything. Oh, the elementary school. Oh my god. They giving away waters. No coffee tonight. This is the fire people. The ambulance. TJ is the store we go to. The gas pumps gone. Oh Lord. Oh, Jesus. Love this place. Sweet God. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is so crazy. This is so crazy. Five-star got heat here and a little casino spot. This trailer is gone. There's another crawfish shack. There was a whole trailer right here.
Some of our store shit got.
Oh my god. Imagine if we would have stayed home. This is a trailer park. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Their house was ruined. Oh my god. Two homes. We can't turn in right now.
Shit.
Okay, just
Alright.
this is my house. This is my house. This is my house. There was a gate here. There was a big gate separating our house from their house. It's gone. Roof damage. All the gates are gone. It's my landlord. I don't even know what to say. This is our house. This is. Look at that. Look at how it hit their car. It didn't hit Alexis. No, she doesn't have any damage. Oh my god, that's my driveway. This is okay. It smells really bad in here, guys. Really, really bad. Because of food that was in the fridge. But the landlord, we just saw him here. He had actually come and take the food out before we got here, which is what we were coming to do. But There was like wind damage. You can tell, you know, probably a window over there, but no major damage. I told y'all my ancestors had this locked down. We're good. Yes, Lord. Okay, y'all. I told y'all my ancestors had this. Our house is good. Like I said, we got minor damage, a little roof damage. The computers are fucked. But the house is good. Everything. We don't have leaks. We don't have holes. The tree didn't fall on. The tree fell on the one next door. Tree didn't fall on us. We have minor stuff like like I said, the fence. Our fence is gone. It's completely gone. And the roof stuff, you can see it's coming down. Fence is gone on all sides. This is how my backyard looks when I came back. It's bad, but Lord, it could have been so much worse. Thank you, God. Thank you, ancestors. Thank y'all. It's hot up in here. There's no power till like 4 to 6 weeks, they said. They got the water back on though, so there's no gas and no power, so we still can't be here, even though I would love to. I want to come home. But as you can see, the driveway, you can't drive in. We can't do anything. So we're going to go back there. We don't have a choice. First, we're going to pack up some stuff from here. And that's it. Which we finally made it. We're here. We see what the house looks like. We saw the outside. Let me show y'all again in case you didn't see. Looks like. This is what it looks like in my neighborhood. There's roof damage. That's the driveway. Yeah. That was the stuff from inside my neighbor's house. The landlord came out and cleaned it after talking to everybody. And the front of their house, their living room and everything was all damaged. So he had to take out all their sheetrock, their living room set, all of that stuff had to go. So thank God. And Alexis is here. She has no damage. She's just sitting there looking all luxurious, a little dirty. His car, our neighbor's car, is sitting here. And look at this. So when I tell you my ancestors were looking out, they like that happened in this storm. Like they got all kind of damage on their car. This is my driveway. I drive here every day. Looks like a totally different place. Even worse. It looks like a jungle. This is my mailbox. This is my street. This is the carnage that is my neighborhood. This is heartbreaking. Mail in there. How dare there be a bill in here? How dare, bitch? Yeah. This is it. So guys, yeah, this is the wreckage of what happened. And thank God that we left. Thank God we're okay. Thank God our house wasn't hit harder, because so many people lost their houses and lost everything. Or some people lost their life in this. Like, it was serious. And I'm just thankful. Thank God to my ancestors. Thank them, because I know it was nobody but Mama Grandma. That was my mama. She just made it there. She was there for 2 days. You hear me? She was there for 2 days when this happened. Thank you, Mama. Love you, girl. I already know it was her who was looking out. So right now, going back in the house, look at these damn bills that they got the nerves to send me in this disaster. And it stinks really bad in here. That was from the food. I can't do nothing about it. We're gonna get some essentials, like some more TVs, simple stuff to take back to the room with us. And then we're gonna get out of here because it's hot as hell. And we need to get back before it gets too dark. The traffic, it started out at 3 hours, ended up 4.5 hours. So, yeah. It's been a long ride. But y'all see, thank God, you see, miracles happen. Spirits are real. I'm just coming to end the video with you guys because I realized that I hadn't. Thanks for looking and watching the video with me. Thanks for coming. I hope you guys are subscribed. Comment below. This was a lot going on. I had a lot stuffed into one thing, so excuse me if it's everywhere, y'all. My life is everywhere as of 8 days ago. Okay, so again, thanks for coming to hang out with me. Thanks for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can turn on post notifications. Leave me a comment, send me a message, hit me on Insta. I'm not on Facebook. I am on Instagram. Angel the Unicorn at the Southern Belle of LA. Either of those will get you to me. Yeah, any questions, anything, let me know, guys. That's it. I'm going to bed.